So we're about 3 weeks out and everyone is prepping on their Jeeps.
I have to rebuild mine.
Again.
Yeah. It's great.
What did you do?
Stuff.
Just stuff, huh?
Yeah,
just stuff.
It's just a minor inconvenience.
I'm not gonna say it.
It's a Jeep. It happens.
Lies. Lies. Here we go.
Well, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try some straight piece. Yeah, pretty much. So.
The other battery's charged as well. So, it's 4:59, almost 5. I got here like 10 minutes ago. No one else is here. Come on, guys. Seriously. Now listen. Come on, man.
So many shenanigans.
Just chill. Just chill, man.
So many shenanigans.
You're a little. Uh-oh. Hey, Josh. It's Ben.
What'd you get?
It's a Hero 5.
It is Thursday. Got a row of Jeeps behind me. 2 XJs and a JKU. We are on the way to Virginia. We're going to overnight at Patty's Cove Lane. It looks like it's a forest road. From what I saw, it looks like there should be some campsites there. I don't know if we're going to find anything, but we're going to be getting in around 10 o'clock. So we'll figure it out. That's why we're slowing down. Come. Hello, tripper. But with me on this trip, Dory is next to me. Behind me, Tyler with Eric. Eric just decided to come along on this trip, so I guess he's up for some crazy crap. Felix and Josh with Brennan. Patty's Cove Lane.
Oh man, look at all
George's all
that
excited.
resolution in the dark that he's getting.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Stand in the light.
Bro, are you kidding me? I'll just take my shirt off. We'll be illuminated.
Hello.
Fantastic. Hello.
It's all eyeball. That's Eric with his gimbal. One of our camera guys. So we got, oh, there we go. We got Brendan here, Eric back there, me and Tyler in there, and then the other two are down there. So
We got here like 10 minutes ago.
So
No one else is here.
we met up kind of late after work type deal. Hit the road, drove about 3.5 hours. Tomorrow we got about 2-hour drive, and we'll have to take these two new guys, Felix and Tyler, to big levels, which isn't a big deal. But then we're gonna hit them with a surprise. Stay tuned.
So, first morning, it's going well. I think they really like me. They really do respect me.
Yeah, so I'm really not sure who this guy is. He came in and he's just rambling on about how he's gonna hit this next big score, hit this you know, his visions and stuff. It was really awkward. He just started throwing money at me. I kept telling him no, but you know, $100 is $100. So yeah, I've been letting him ride with me. God, it's so awkward. He just sits there with those hiked up shorts staring at you the whole ride. I'm so confused.
I knew it. It's gonna be big. Day
lead up to this point would be a lot of work that went into that thing. 4.5-inch lift. Heck, destroying the lower control arm mounts. Not once. Twice. Not one side twice. Both sides once. So they are completely re-welded. Amazing. It just rebuilding the underneath practically. Getting those 35s on there. Not really highway testing it, you know, until we came on the trip. So, you know, them hills, real nice. Yeah.
And Felix, tell us what got you to this point.
A lot of driving very fast. I'm always the late one, but I made it with 3 minutes to spare to the meetup point, which, thank you, no thanks to 2 little kids. But it was, you know, it was a very fast-paced evening, you know, working all day yesterday, trying to get, you know, to the meetup point, and a few hours of driving throughout the night, basically. We didn't get here till, I don't even know what time.
We pulled up probably about 9, almost 10, I'd say.
Right around 9:30 when we got in.
Yeah, but it wasn't bad. You know, the mountains and highway gears was a little hard to keep up, but we made it here and had a nice little night. Now we're waking up, getting ready to go. Excited for the day.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to go hit a boulder.
Alright, now we're off the big levels. I haven't been there yet, so I'm really excited to, you know, just get on the trail. My expectations, I don't really have much. So I've watched a few videos and heard a few stories of people being there, but sometimes I like to just ignore all that and see it for myself.
Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, ba ba ba. Times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I can't find